Before beginning the installation, lower the vehicle to access height. Remove the engine cover. Firstly unscrew the oil cap, then lift the cover off the engine. For safety, replace the oil filler cap. Remove the rubber injector cover. This should easily lift off. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. And the boost sensor. Unclip the factory rail connector by pressing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Then connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Disconnect the factory boost connector by pressing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the rubber injector cover. This may need tucking back into place. Once again, remove the oil filler cap. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Replace the oil filler cap. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.